Viewers, he's crazy.
Charles, show me your teeth. You're not gonna, are you? Ooh. Yeah, you just see him before he grabbed the camera. Where's your teeth? I think we got a glimpse there. So it's Charles's first fireworks night, and we're going round to Nanny's. We've got a load of cooked chicken, and we're going to try and see how he does with the fireworks. Getting Fat Boy strapped in. Ain't seen the camera in a while, have you, Charles? No.
Talk to us.
That was close.
Yes.
Right, we're going to see Nanny then, shall we? Rain stopped. Let's go, let's go. As ever with my family, we've got here with a baby and we've beaten the rest of the family. Where are they, Nanny?
Well, any time now.
Don't watch Strictly, Charles. Where's your teethies?
They really have come through. Once they start, I tell you what, in a couple of weeks you get the top ones.
So we're waiting for everyone else, but here is my handiwork. The old meat section. Got some ribs, some barbecue chicken, and some chili Moroccan style. And we're just waiting for everyone else. I think Mum's got vegetarians coming because there seems to be a lot of cheese and bread. What else you got, Mum?
Sausages.
Walls.
Big plate jacket potatoes.
Jacket potatoes.
2 gallons.
Oh. Right, I'll come back in 16 years.
From today.
For about 10 days.
What's this going on?
What's going on your face?
I went out for a walk this morning.
Put it on Instagram for me.
It's a video.
No.
Oh.
Rather
Talk to Ella. Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Smile. It's the only thing you know how to do, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Uncle Dave with his headgear on again. You cutting fingernails?
He's crazy.
Wait for it. That's what it's all about.
Dad, that's so dangerous. You can blind someone.
Good. Health and safety, Lewis. You tell him.
He likes it.
Dad, don't do it in front
You
of
got a
the
flashing
babies.
ring. Why? He don't mind. He's only playing. Look, he likes it.
Charles, just ignore your daddy. My dad.
Normal with uncles like that, is he?
God, viewers, he's crazy.
Charles. Shut your teeth.
Taking it down to the stump.
Shut your teeth.
Sort of.
Teeth.
Come back again.
Oh, you dropped
Up
it.
there, I've got a squirrel.
Where's it gone?
drive in it. Oh.
Where's it gone, Charles?
In the, squirrel drive. Up in the top, when he went up there to cut the branch down, he said, "Do you get a squirrel?" So I said, "Well, yes, see one occasionally." He said, "Straight
Where's
up
it gone?
here."
We're going outside, Mummy.
Couldn't
I've got his
I don't know. Comment below.
and he's got a steel cage to trap.
We're going outside, watch the fireworks, Charles. Uncle Dave's going to light them.
They're nice. Do you want his card? I've got a card.
Woo!
Yeah, I think.
Yeah?
Can't get
Okay, let's go. Auntie Zoe.
Sup, bro?
Oh, the garden looks nice on the camera.
Charles, look at that. Dustin.
Oh, watch out, Grandad.
Should we watch his expression?
Yeah. Can you see that? It's not there. Oh. Oh. Is that right? That's it.
It's like, it's going to have it. I mean, battery's going to die before that. Even Charles has got bored. Look, he's looking away. He's looking at the wind chimes.
Is that not going to go off?
That's a dud.
No, never return to the firework. Don't you know what you're doing, Ray?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Here we go.
Look at that.
Told ya. Look.
Oh, Charles, you're okay.
Oh, that ain't bad, is it?
Oh, he does.
What did we start with a lad one for?
That was worth waiting for, that one, wasn't
That was good, Charles. It took him a minute to realise, didn't it?
Yeah, it was the initial.
Yeah.
it? Oh.
See that?
That's good, isn't it, Charles?
You're okay.
Oh.
Oh, look what he's done then.
Lewis, run out to his upstairs.
Wow.
You scared the baby, then you look at him running.
That didn't go too well, did it? Nice one, Uncle Dave.
Oh, bless you.
I remember Lewis.
That's babies for you.
I remember you, Lewis, used to hide in the kitchen under the table.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Yeah, you're the biggest baby of everyone on fireworks.
Now I stand here.
Legged it.
Whoa, I like that one.
Where you going, Lewis?
Scream my ears.
Where you going, Lewis? I thought you wasn't scared.
You
No, I'm
wuss.
standing here.
You chicken.
You wuss.
I like that one.
Lewis, oh, I'm a big boy.
Don't make me embarrassed. Stop making me embarrassed.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
smiling
pretty.
at that one.
All together now, Lewis.
Yeah. I don't know if this is going to work, but Elouise was going to film outside for us, and she managed to throw the camera on the floor. So we've got a very big cracked screen. And of course, I didn't get any insurance when I got the camera. Oh dear. But on the plus side, Nanny's taking Charles to change his bum. Let's go and see. Where's Nanny? Are you doing it upstairs, Mum? Yep. What's that crazy old bag doing, Charles?
Take that off if you're having a photo done. Say, I was having my photo done. Oh, it was so handsome. Bang, bang, bang.
So I've made the... What did I do? I didn't make the cake. I cooked chicken and ribs. Elouise made a cake. Oh yeah. Dun, dun. And what are they? They little Ewoks in honour of the new Star Wars movie that's coming out soon. Look at that beauty. Gingerbread cake. And unfortunately we've got to share it with the family. Here we go. Let's have a look in the middle of this cake, shall we?
Me and me. No, love.
That is a generous slice of cake. You're going to take one out so we can have a look in the middle? Oh, look at those distinct layers.
I'll give me something to put it on.
Hang on, I've got to get something. Done with true finesse.
Yeah, taste it.
That looks well good.
You are so tired.
Is he tired? Charles, are you tired? Say night night, Charles. Say night nights. Here we go.
They kept one in there and one went out and they both left it.
Bye everyone. Bye. Charles says bye.
See you, Charles.
See you later, Charlie boy.
Lovely cake, Ella. Elouise, lovely.
Bye.
Let's go, Charles.